Hi, Paul.
Jess.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Good evening. How you doing? You alright?
Yeah, good, yeah. We're going to be back with you at 5:30.
5:30. That's great.
That's
How
what
you getting on? You alright?
Yeah, we dropped it off. We're just turning round, heading out of Milton Keynes. The GPS is saying 5:27.
Oh, that's not too bad then. Yeah, great.
So, is that okay? So,
yeah, that's great. Because I've got another project dropped down. I'll be delivered actually from you. See, I thought, you know what, I can make it around today if you can come back on the time.
Yeah.
That's great. If you do 5:30, that'd be great.
yeah, any problems, I'll give you a shout. But, you know, the traffic wasn't too bad coming down here, so we should be okay.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem. Thank you.
See you in a bit.
Cheers,
All right,
mate.
thank you.
Thanks, mate.
Ta-ra.
Thank you,
Bye. Bye. Where are we going?
Has he got another project?
I didn't quite catch what he said. He's a builder, so he said something about you've got to pick some up. He told me earlier.
Yeah.
Right.
They're like boxes,
There's
really.
Is that where I went in just?
Yeah.
No.
They're like boxes, aren't
Yeah.
they? They each got a garage. Did you
No,
put
he hasn't got a garage. No, he's got a parking space.
Yeah.
No garage.
Yeah.
He's got a garage, which is 4.5 miles away, which he rents.
Okay. So did I hear you say he's got no driving licence?
No car licence.
Well, they can't drive it then.
He can. Bike licence if he's passed your test before 2013.
Oh, he can.
He's had a Reliant before, so
Oh, right.
he knows that, yeah.
That's all right then.
Which is a known problem with those, actually.
Yeah. I believe he's had one before, he should know.
Keys in there, so it's all good, yeah? All good. He's happy. Now, it wants to take us up there again, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to go this way. Because that was with all the bloody lumps down there.
They put really cheap doors on these houses.
Have they?
They have really put cheap doors. Look at them. They're terrible.
Oh, crap, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're all fading.
Yeah.
They look like some sort of recycled material.
Look at them. They're rubbish.
Are we in the 20 zone?
Yeah.
Oh no, we're just coming into the 20 zone.
Oh,
That's
right.
okay. Yes, they're not poor, aren't they?
Yeah, I noticed.
Yeah, nice flat. He had a gym upstairs in there. It's decent size.
What, a gym?
No, he's like a home gym, yeah.
Oh, a home gym. Oh, you went in his flat?
Yeah, he wanted to show me a photograph of his the black Robin he had.
Yeah, well, they're all new.
Got a Black Hawk.
Yeah. But they are built very cheaply. The doors are rubbish.
In the 20 zone, they didn't say in the 20.
You didn't get to see his other car then?
Yeah,
Oh, you did?
parked the Robin next to it. And he got his motorbike in front of it. It was a very nice little car. Looked lovely, all leather inside. Apparently you can, yes, because they're 600cc and under a certain weight. They're really looking very well made, but they're really rubbish, really well.
You're going to sell that one now?
I think so, yeah. Same 30 there.